Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. This deal right here is not the low, but for everything that I got and what I paid for was a good deal to me. They're having a sale going on, and then there is the 5 off of 25 and then the 5 off of 20 only on the game products. So I incorporated all three of those into this video, and I did put everything on one receipt. Excuse me. I wasn't doing different transactions, but I just put everything on one receipt. So that's why my subtotal is a little higher than normal, but I'm okay with that. And and the things that I'm showing to you, if you don't want to get the other things, just deduct the amount off and then there is your total. But if you want to actually do the 5 off of 20 and then the 5 off of 25, with the game deal, you got to incorporate a little bit more, $5 more with the for the 5 off of 25 to come off. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and get to the video. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is the 5 off of 20 game deal. I just love the 5 off of 20. I cannot stand when they do the 5 off of 30. I love when the 5 off of 20 for the game, because then all you got to do is do 5 more money, or $5 or $6 more for the 5 off of 25. So the first thing I got was this Febreze small spaces, and make sure that it has the gain on there, and then also scan it in the app to make sure that the 5 off of 20 is actually attaching. Okay, this is $3.35. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is these Febreze air spray. I went ahead and got 2 of those. I could have got 3, but this small spaces, I got that for my sister because she likes those small spaces. So I got 2 of these, the spray. Make sure it says gain and also scan it. These are $3.35. There is a $3.30 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is this gain. And I'm trying to stock up on these gains for me. This is, let's see, 65 ounce for this gain. The gain 65 ounce is, let's see, $7. How much was this one again? $7.50. This big one right here that is 65 ounces, $7.50. And there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching to this. Okay. The next thing is this gain. This one is a 40, I think it's 46 ounce. This is $5.50, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay, so these 2, 4, 5 items came up over $20. Okay, it was like 22, I think 22 something, and I said, okay, good. So then I was deciding on if I was going to get the Vaseline or the power wash, the Dawn power wash. So I went ahead and got this the Dawn power wash. Girl, I said girl. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all, the Dawn power wash is on fire. I love this Dawn power wash. I like the gain too. They have the gain, but it's not the power wash. It just says gain, but it looks just like the power wash. It's good too, but I like the Dawn. These are $5 each. So there is a digital coupon It says on the digital coupon, now you can do this if you want, but it's up to you. It says if you buy the Cascade, the little packs for the dishwasher, you get one of these Dawn Power Wash. There's a digital coupon for $4.99. But both of these are on up under the digital coupon. About like if you buy two of them, you get one of them for $4 and not for $5 and a penny, because these are $5. The digital coupon is $4.99. So I was like, I'm going to get something that I really use on a regular. And this Dawn Power Wash I do use on a regular. So I got that. And the digital coupon did come off. Okay, so I got two of those. Then, so that right there continue my 5 off of 25, okay? But I went ahead and purchased these on my receipt. These utensils, which is the True Living utensils. I needed another one of these wicks because the other two that I had bought before, I'm doing something with those. And then I needed these two for my cooking, okay? Because I was looking, I thought I had one of these, the bamboo, but I don't. The sale on these, all three of these are $1, okay? So you got the spoon, the bamboo spoon, you got the bamboo turner, and then you got the wire whisk. They are $1 each. But they are on sale. If you buy two, you get one free. All right? So all of those. Then the last thing I got, y'all, was the wrapping paper. Okay? This wrapping paper is so cute. Look at these gingerbreads and stuff. This wrapping paper is regular $3. So there's a sale going on and it ends today. It started Thursday and it ends today. Or was it maybe Friday? I can't remember if it was Thursday or Friday. But anyway, this is normally, like I said, $3. But this 120 square feet, any of the wrapping paper that is $1 to $3 is actually $1 a piece. So I went ahead and purchased this one right here. This is $3. Why not get it? It's $1. Why should I get $1 for $1? You know, that's crazy. But anyway, this wrapping paper here, it is a whole lot on here. I just got two of them. I didn't need a whole lot, which I should have got another one. It's got the gingerbread, different things on here, which is really cute. And then I got the Santa Claus. I got another one. 120 square feet. It's got the Santa Claus, the Christmas tree, and everything, a reindeer on this one. And that one is $1. So, after everything was scanned, I put in my number. All the digital coupons came off that was supposed to. My subtotal was $14.46. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. There is the Febreze. I told you the Febreze, I thought I said $3.35, but they actually was $3.25. And then there is the Gain, the small one. All the digitals came off of that. And then there is those two. There's the spray. The digitals came off of that. And I forgot to tell you, if you got the 3 off of 30 clipped, and then also it's like two of them, it's another one for $1. You always want to put the lower one of the coupon that you're going to use first, so that can come off first, and then add the other one so they won't take off on the wrong item. All right, so then there's the Gain for $7.50. There's the discounts and the digital coupon. There is the, let's see, the $1 off for the gift wrap. There's the other dollar off for the gift wrap. And you see with the store discount, 25 cents came off. So I got it for 75 cents. So that's when you want to do it, is when they have these sales on. You want to do your 5 off of 25s on Saturday so you can get that extra savings. And then here is the Dawn Power Wash. And then there is the 3 of the True Living that is buy 2, get 1 free. And then look, the store discounts came off on there too. So like I said, you always want to do these on 5 off of 25 Saturday so you can get that extra savings. And then there's my subtotal, like I told you. And then there's the tax. And then look how much I saved. Total saving, $23.29. Then there is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. 5 off of 25 Saturday and 5 off of 20 gain. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's Channel.